back to the Diabetic Diet Show. After cooking a big meal, your cutting board starts to look a little messy. Don't forget that you need to keep it clean. So you need dish soap and bleach and water. Mix it in a squirt bottle. You don't have to buy fancy stuff. You put it on your cutting board. And then you can wipe it like this. And you'll get rid of all the chicken juice off there. Then all I do is I just take it to the sink and I just rinse it and wipe it one more time. So that's my tip for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the Diabetic Diet Show. Click on that little red button at the lower right hand corner and you get more tips and tricks every week. Goodbye for now.